Hello guys, today we review Zebronics 450W black gold power supply. Let us see. When you purchase this Zebronics 450W black gold power, you will find like 3 SATA connectors, 2 Molex, 80 mm built-in fan, and extra long cable, 1.2 meter power cables, and it is suitable for regular use computers and gaming computers. Now let us see what is Molex. Molex connector is a type of pin and socket interconnect connector, often a 4-pin design used for powering devices like older hard drives and optical drives, and also used in various other electronic applications. Now let us see in brief. Like you can see the 450 Zebronics SMPS power supply. Here input like AC 230 volts, and there also you will get one switch on off buttons, and you can see this is a fan in silent mode, 80 mm fan. Here the speed of 80 mm fan. Now you will get also 1.2 mm power cord, that is best for length, and you can see the connectors here, 24 pins and 4 pins, and power supply and SATA cables there included. When we see like what is specification, like AC input we require 230 volt, 50 Hz, 60 amperes, and what you will get output from other cables like DC output max plus 3.3 volt, 28 ampere, plus 5 volt, 40 ampere, 12 volt, 17 ampere, minus 12 volt, minus 0.8A, and plus 5 BSB, 2.0 ampere. You will get 20 plus 4 pin, 460 mm, and Molex plus SATA. Molex will be 360 mm and SATA will be 160 mm plus 160 mm. Molex plus SATA 360 mm plus 60 mm, and 4 pin CPU you will get 490 mm, and package dimension you will get like 22, 16 and 10 centimeter, and product dimension 15, 14, 8.C, and power up supply you will get 1, and power cord 1 unit. Here you can see this is a silent fan. Even it is silent, it will good work and cooling good. When about we talk about like purchasing SMPS, also we need some wattage required for your assembling a system. So let us see how much you can get, what required if you add like graphic cards and many more things. So let us see. If you open this, you will get Cooler Master, and choose your component. Here you can see that we choose like Intel's, and socket you i5 i7 we will talk about. Then presently like LGA 1700, and model about like you can choose 12 generations like i5 12 generations, and motherboard here when you choose like CPU, so here you recommended PSU wattage is 85 watt. If also you want to add motherboard, like if you add ATX, then it will be 135, and when you choose micro ATX you will get 125 watts. So whatever you require motherboard, according to you select the power supply. Also depending upon the graphic cards, let us see GPU brand. Like if you choose in Nvidia and graphic card, you can choose anyone. You can see here like I am choose Jinger 650, and quantity will choose like 1, so it will go 189 watts. Also you require RAM, like I have choosing RAM 4 GB, like 32 GB DDR4 and quantity 1, so it will be 20 watt, 201 watt. If you 2, it will go 213 watts. If talking about the SSD storage, so you can select like 512 GB 1 TB and quantity will choose like 1, so it will go like 228. And hard disk also you want to select, you can use like this one and quantity 1. Finally you will get 243 watts. Also you can include like fans, external fans there. So 450 watt you can purchase for gaming PC also, and if you want to increase, so you can also like 450 to 4 550 or 650 watts you can purchase. And you can also this SMPS will we can purchase from. So when you talking like Amazon, so you when you click on this, go to Amazon's, so here you will see like current price 699. You can purchase it from the Amazon also, and also you can purchase it from the other websites. You can see, yes.
Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.